Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use Add Your Sticker on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your story from the top left corner to create a new Instagram story. Now tap on Gallery from the bottom and choose a photo or video that you want to post with the sticker. Then tap the sticker icon at the top. Here you will see the new sticker, Add Yours. If you do not see it, you need to update your Instagram app. Now tap on it. Write anything here, for example, your October dump. Then press Done from the top right corner. You can resize the sticker, and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And when you are all done, you can share your story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. Now other people can reply to your story using photos or videos that they think hold bad memories or experiences. So basically, this is how this new sticker works inside your Instagram stories. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.